So I thought I'd do a quick video of my rear camera setup. Here I have a Nut R axle mount with a GoPro session on it, and it's not the normal GoPro case. Anyway, I'll post links to both of these down below and in the video description, but I quite like the camera angle you get from this. The session mounting case is aluminium, which is nice. It's nice and strong, much stronger than the default that you get. You can see there's a little spring loaded ball bearing there. Ball bearing's the wrong word. The ball from a ball bearing. It just slides in very easily and click, it's mounted there. I have an additional mount which is a saddle rail mount, and I'll use that sometimes, like for example when my trailer is present, then that'll be blocking the line of sight at the axle level, so that's a rear view there. Then lastly, I have an upside down GoPro mount here on the front for the bike mounted camera. It's fine, by the way. GoPros automatically turn the image around when you start them upside down, so the button to start the camera is actually down here. As you can see, it's a simple single push to start recording. Also on the front here I have a quad lock phone mount, which is an awesome way of putting your phone on a bike. It's really strong, really secure. It's pretty much the best phone mount I've ever found.